I have the Plume 84-inch 3-seater sofa, and it is so comfortable, you guys. It also came with an ottoman and 3 throw pillows. One of them, the cover was in the washer, which is something I love about this couch. It's just the overall durability of it. I've had to wash the couch covers a couple of times just because, you know, having kids is just like that, but also for the areas that I can't throw in the washer, they are super easy to clean. As you guys can see here, my youngest got a little bit of chocolate on the arm of the couch, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was freaking out about it a lot until I started scrubbing and realized that it was completely gone within a matter of seconds. And that's something that's super important to me, is not only having a couch that looks good and that's comfortable, but that's also high performing and durable, especially with having 2 little kids. But yeah, like I said, this couch is super comfortable. You can just tell by looking at it and me kind of pressing on the cushions. It is foam and feather filled, so you do get that nice like kind of hybrid vibe, and just the overall like vibe of this couch is exactly what I was looking for. Our couch we had previously was only cute aesthetic wise, but it was not that comfortable and it wasn't that durable. I also love that they velcro down the cushions, because nothing is more annoying than cushions that kind of slide around. So they really thought everything through with this couch, and I did get it in the color beige. So yeah, it comes with an ottoman, and it also comes with 3 throw pillows. These are super cute, and you can obviously add more pillows to kind of bring out whatever your accent color is, but I just wanted to take a minute to just show you guys the overall look of the couch without me adding anything to it. We have been absolutely loving it, and our movie nights have been elite ever since. So thank you so much, 25 Home, for this couch.